Hi guys, today I am going to be doing balsamic fig chicken with mixed greens and roasted potatoes. So this is what it will look like. And again, you have your full ingredients and directions on the back. And what you will need is the contents of your baggie, which is labeled with it. Here is the chicken. You will also need olive oil, salt, pepper, and butter. So as always, we're going to start off. I'm going to show you what's in the bag. So you have rosemary. You have your greens for your salad. You have this cute little jar of fig jam. You have chicken concentrate. You have a bottle of balsamic vinaigrette right there. 1 lemon. 1 shallot. And your potatoes. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get all my produce washed and ready to go, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I got all my potatoes cleaned and washed off and everything, and all they want you to do, make sure you have your oven preheated to 450 degrees, and make sure you have a baking sheet, and you're gonna just quickly dice up the potatoes. So since these are small, you just want to cut them in 4s, so that way they should be about that size right there. And you're just going to dice all of those up, and you're going to put that on your baking sheet and toss it with some oil, salt, and pepper, and throw it right into the oven. So let me get these all chopped up and I'll show you what's next. Alright guys, so I have my potatoes all cut up right here, and you just want to take your baking sheet. I line mine with parchment paper just because it's easier, and you're just going to toss those right on there. So let's do that. Okay. So you see that? And I'm gonna just spread them out all nice and even. That way they all get a nice even roast. Make sure nothing's like sticking together. So just like that. And we're gonna drizzle that with some olive oil. Right on there. Don't be afraid to be liberal. So you have the olive oil on there. And now we're just gonna season it with some salt and pepper. Okay, there you go. That's what it should look like. I'm going to put it into my oven, and I will show you the next step. Okay guys, next step is you're going to take your shallot and your rosemary, and you're going to chop that up, and you're also going to have your lemon. Just have it. You don't need to zest it or anything like some of the other recipes. So just going to cut the tip off, cut it in half. I'm just going to peel the outer layer off. So that way you should just see this nice light purple color. have your 2 halves right there. And again, all you want to do is you want to just cut it in half like that. And just follow the lines. If you can see real close, you can see that they have little lines like that. And just go down straight like that. Okay. Okay, and then we're just going to dice it. So it would be nicely chopped like that. I'm gonna get that finished and I'll be right back. Alright guys, that shallot is all nice and minced. So the next thing you want to do is take your rosemary, and to remove the leaves you simply just hold it from behind here and just push it backwards, and that will remove the leaves right over there for you. If you want to make this recipe again and you don't have fresh rosemary, even though that's always recommended is to use fresh, you can use dried. You just want to put a little bit less because dried herbs are a little bit stronger than fresh herbs. So here you go. So I'm going to just take the leaves off of here. So you see all that there. And we're just going to chop that up. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back for the next step. Okay guys, this is what the rosemary should look like, all nice and finely chopped. And again, I just want to get ahead and have my lemons. So the next thing you're going to want to do is move that aside. When you have your chicken, you want to take it out of the package, put it on a paper towel, and pretty much just tap it dry. And we're just going to season it with salt and pepper on both sides. Always season your meat, people, please. Or it's going to be really bland. Okay, so that's all for the seasoning for the chicken for right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up my pan and bring it to a medium heat, and then I'm going to drizzle my olive oil in there. And you want to just cook the chicken until it's fully cooked. So about 5 to 7 minutes per side. These aren't that thick, so I'll say maybe about 6 minutes per side. So I'm going to do that and I'll show you the next step. Alright guys, so again I have my pan on a medium-high heat, and I put a little olive oil in the pan and just letting my chicken cook. Again, you want to cook it about 6 minutes per side because you want to fully cook this. And I will let you know what to do after the chicken is done. Alright guys, I just split my chicken, so this is the color that it should be. A nice golden brown crust on top. And again, you're going to want to let it cook only on the side for another 6 minutes to ensure that it's done. If you have a meat thermometer, you could use that to check if it's done. It should read up to 165 degrees or over, preferably just 165. So if you cook it too much, it's going to get dry, and nobody likes dry chicken. Alright guys, while my chicken is cooking, I just want to let you know what the next step is going to be, and that's going to be making the sauce. You're going to take the chicken out, put it on a cutting board so it can rest, and then you're going to take your chopped shallot that you did, a little bit of oil, the chopped parsley, and you're going to let that, chopped rosemary, and you're going to let that just cook for like 2 to 3 minutes until the shallots become soft. Then you're gonna add in that fig jam that they gave you, and you're gonna add in the balsamic. You're gonna let that get to like a syrupy consistency, and then after that you're gonna add in your concentrate with a 1/4 cup of water, and just let that simmer down until it becomes thick and sauce-like. Shut the heat up and then add that tablespoon of butter that I showed you I had earlier, and just finish off the sauce. Add a little bit salt and pepper if you want more to taste, and then you're gonna toss the salad in olive oil, squeeze lemon juice, salt and pepper as well. Very simple dressing for the salad, nothing too heavy. As you can see, my chicken is almost ready, and my potato is about to be done as well. So I'll be back and I'll show you what the sauce looks like when it's done. Alright guys, this is what the potatoes should look like when they come out of the oven. They should be lightly golden brown, nice and roasted, and they should be tender to the touch with a fork to know that they're done on the inside. Alright guys, this is the rosemary and shallot in the pan cooking with some oil. And then now I'm going to add the balsamic vinegar and the jam. Alright guys, that's the step after the balsamic and the jam is mixed. It should be a nice syrupy consistency. Now I'm just going to add in the chicken stock concentrate and water and mix all that together. Alright guys, I added the water and stock concentrate. So as you can see, it's a little loose right now. You want to let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes thick and glossy. You're going to take it off the heat and add in that last tablespoon of butter. Okay guys, in the meantime, while my sauce is simmering, I put the greens in a bowl, and we're just going to take some olive oil and drizzle that in there, not too much, just enough to coat. We're going to add a little salt and pepper. And we're going to take the lemon juice and add, you can add one of the halves, you can add both the halves. It's to how much lemon flavor you like. I like 2, and they're small lemons anyway. Okay, very, very simple. Okay, I added everything in there, and you're basically just going to take some tongs and toss that together. So that way they're all nice and dressed. And that's your simple dressing right there. Very healthy, not a lot of fat or anything in there. Okay, so that's what it should look like, all nice and tossed. The sauce is almost ready. I'll show you what to do next. Alright guys, you can see now that the sauce is very thick. You should be able to kind of like part in the pan, so that's how you know it's ready to go. So I'm going to take this off the heat, and I'm going to add that tablespoon of butter, and you just take that and swirl it around, and you just want it to pretty much melt right in the pan, so that way it's all nice and incorporated. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna finish that up and I'll show you how to plate everything. Alright guys, so the final step is just getting everything plated. So you want to take your chicken and you just want to cut it. They don't have to be too thin. You just want a nice presentation. Okay, and you're gonna take your plate and put it right on there. And again, same thing with this one. Just cut it straight down. Some juicy pieces of chicken. I gotta be careful when I'm cutting because things squirt it out on me. Same thing. We're gonna just get that right on the plate. Okay, let me move this. So here's the plate. What we're gonna do is get those potatoes. Got that yummy sauce right there. Okay. So you just want to get your potatoes and place them on one side of the plate. You want to take that salad that we made earlier, put that on the other side, just like that. And last but not least, you want to take that gorgeous, yummy sauce and drizzle that right over the chicken. Okay, and there you have it, guys. See that beautiful plate? That is your balsamic fig chicken with roasted potatoes and mixed green salad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, send a comment down below, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.